Hi, my name is Graham Drew, and this is Corey Hayes. He's going to be asking me questions every week about poly repiping. Let's get into it.
Bring it on. All right, Graham, I got somebody from BC.
Yeah.
And they're wondering what it's going to cost them just to replace the piping out there and do the drywall and all the refinishing work themselves.
All right, so a lot of customers in the Lower Mainland right now are really focusing on massive renovations of their house. So we get this a lot of the time. People don't want our drywall services, they don't want our painting. They want to gut the house after and just completely redo it. So we offer a guaranteed 72-hour turnaround time for repiping, and typical cost for repiping in the Lower Mainland is between, $9,000 to $12,000, depending on how many bathrooms, how many fixtures, how many showers they have right there.
Well, the fact that you can replace the entire piping system in a house in 72 hours is pretty impressive.
You know what? They don't give us a lot of time, and we work with schedules. But the faster we can get in and out of there, the faster they can get on with their renovation.
Outstanding.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Hey Graham, thanks for answering this week's question on Poly B. Stay tuned for next week's question, or leave us a comment below and we'll create another video answer.